basic Photoframe Sketchup version. I'll be using SketchUp 7. This works exactly the same in SketchUp 2017, SketchUp Make 2017. Let's get rid of the girl. Turn off shadows. Okay. I have the picture I wish to make a frame for on my hard drive. So I'm going to import that picture. This girl here. And you see how it's attached to my mouse cursor? I'll simply snap it there, click, and drag it out about that big to start with. Good. Right click and explode it. P for push pull. Grab the top and bring it up. I don't know, about that much. So we have some kind of thickness for the back. That looks good, yeah. Now, from the back of the picture, spacebar, click, click. From the back of the picture, I'm going to choose the offset tool. If I can find it. Here it is. Click on the corner and offset an edge. Oh, I don't know, about that much. That's pretty good. Spacebar, click. P for push pull. Grab the edge and pull it up. Oh, about that far. I look pretty good. There we go. The frame's done. All we need to do is texture it now. So B for paint bucket. Let's see. I'll give it a wood texture. That's water. I'll give it a wood texture for now and then retexture it in world. Because I don't have the texture I want to use on my hard drive. So we'll put a temporary texture on. Always texture before you export out of SketchUp. If you don't, you're not going to be able to texture it in world. It's not going to work. So we'll put the wood on there, and there, and there, 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 and the top, and the edge. I don't know why people say texturing in SketchUp is so difficult. This is very, very simple, don't you think? Okay, we're done. Now I can export it and put it in virtual world. Alright, now I'm going to get a little fancy. Let me undo back to when I was texturing. I'm going to show you the fancy version of how to do this. Undo, 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 undo. Okay, we're back in time to the texturing part. Here comes the fancy version. I'm going to choose the wood and drop it on any flat surface. This back will be very convenient. Then I'm going to look a little closer and see that I don't think that's very good. I want a much smaller grain. So we'll right click and say texture, position. Grab this corner of the texture and snap it to there. Grab this corner of the texture and see how you can rotate it, resize. Maybe like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Spacebar, click. Yeah, that's a little better. Good. So I'll use that for the whole thing. We'll select the entire thing. Sample this. Drop it everywhere else. Oh, we lost the girl, but that's okay. That's okay. Up here, in model textures, the girl's still there. Just retexture that face with the girl. I think it looks a little better. Now I'm going to resize it to something reasonable. I'll select the whole thing, make it a group, and I'm going to take the tape measure to see how large it is right now. It is, look down the corner, 2.51 meters. I'm going to click here and simply type in 1 meter, return. That will resize the entire thing. So this is 1 meter. If for some reason I wanted to say I want this edge to be a specific distance, length, grab the tape measure, see how long it is now, 0.65 meters. Let's make that 7.123 meters. And the entire thing gets scaled. See? Very simple, very simple. Spacebar click. So for the actual dimensions, I will measure this from corner to corner to corner, and we'll make that 1 meter. There we go. There, it's all spacebar click. There, it's all set to export and bring it to the virtual world. Very simple.